Hi everybody, Monty's back and this is advisory class, okay? And we're getting ready for the new school year. I want to thank you for coming back and I want to tell you why we're meeting every day at 8:30, okay? So, when? Every day at 8:30. Check your email or on your Teams, check the calendar. Click the link, see you at 8:30. Why? Check and connect. You tell me what issues you're having, I'll tell you what issues I'm having because this is all new, this distance learning. Plus, every day this week, a different admin person is going to be sending us a video to watch about the new school year. Quick Monty check-in. Each day, I want to try to teach you one new thing about Teams, so it'll be easier for you to communicate with your teachers in your classes. Okay, so welcome aboard, but before we go any further, we got to do our shout outs. Yes, over the summer, we had birthdays. So let's get started with our shout outs. Over the summer, we had birthdays for Demetrius, Mr. Gonder Hawkins, Mr. Heidecker, happy birthday, Jack, Isaiah Prouty, happy birthday, Isaiah. And Jaden Thomas, he also had a birthday, so happy birthday, Jaden. Now, before we go any further, I also want to do shout outs for all the folks that met up with me last week in conferences or in phone interviews to check in and make sure that everything was ready for this week. So here we go with our shout outs for conferences. Ava, thank you for coming. Cadence, Kiana, Cody, Monroe, Demetrius, Mr. Gonder Hawkins, Mr. Heidecker, Kenny, thank you for all your input, Caitlin, Colin, Mia Lynn, Isaiah, Mr. Rhodes, we met several times, thank you. And then we go to Camden, Emma, Jaden, Lloyd, and Sienna. Okay, again, thank you for joining me for conferences. We can meet up virtually anytime if you have any questions or problems. Okay, now I just want to put a little bit of tutorial in each video that I send you. So now, just watch this quick tutorial about tricks and bells and whistles in Teams and logging in. Okay, so I'll see you every day at 8:30. Check your email for the link for the invite or go to the calendar on your Teams page to see the link. Everybody, Monty here. Each day I want to send you a little video tutorial on navigating the internet, Office 365, Clever, okay? Because that's where we're going to meet on a regular basis. I've got advisory class, geometry classes, ICANN credit retrieval, and ALE classes. So let's get started. No matter what computer you have, find an internet connection, okay? Once you find the internet, type in Spokane Public Schools, okay? Once you type in Spokane Public Schools from anywhere, just click. Locate the home page. From the home page, you're going to get one of these little disclaimers that talks about distance learning. I never delete that. I always keep it because there's so many helpful video tutorials on this school reopening resource page. Okay? I just hit the X. Now locate digital tools. Once you see digital tools, click. From here, we have the Clever portal. I'm hoping everybody gets used to using the Clever portal because that's your email address. And once you're in there, you've got Office 365, you've got your math classes, you got your textbooks, you've got other apps, you got your Blackboard class. Cool. If you have brothers and sisters, let your parents and guardians know the Clever Family Portal, which makes it a one-stop shop for parents to check on all their students. There is a little information you got to fill out in order to get that, but let me know if you need help with that. Click on Clever. Boom. It's going to ask you for a login. Your login is your email address, your last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org, and your 8-digit birth date. All right? So hopefully you get logged in. I've already logged in, so we're ready to go. Office 365. For all the math students, your clever Carnegie Learning Mathia icon, and your Blackboard class. All right, let's get to Office 365 because we need to find our Teams page. Cool? We're trying to find how to log in to our Teams meetings on the Bell schedule. Okay, so click on Office 365. Boom. It might take a second to load, but either on the left-hand side or across vertically. So either vertically or horizontally, you're going to see all these tiles. Remember, Outlook is your actual email, and I send you emails. All your teachers send you email invites to your Teams meetings. But you don't have to have that. Click on your Teams page. Boom. Again, that might take a second to load. Once you're there, you'll see all these tiles. Cool? Scroll down, and you'll see my Geometry Period 4, Geometry Period 5, my ICANN Period 6, and Advisory. Now, I want you to get used to the left-hand column. Activities, chats, teams, assignments. Everybody, click on Calendar. Calendar is the secret to success. Whenever we post a meeting, you're going to see my invite 5 days a week to Advisory. You're going to see your invite. Click on that, and then you can just join the meeting. Serious. So 5 days a week for Advisory. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, period 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6. On Friday, remember, just 25-minute classes. 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is how you can find the quickest way to the link to your Teams meetings. Okay? Hopefully, I'll see you in our Teams meetings. Remember, I've got Advisory, Geometry Period 4, Geometry Period 5, and my ICANN Kiddos Period 6. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in our Teams meetings, and I'll post another video to help you navigate other items. All right? Have a great day.